Part 2 of the wheels. Get it. YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Chris right here, and today we're just continuing the little journey of the wheels that I got for the 1980 Dodge Aspen, and already I haven't touched it. Figures. But nonetheless, my dad has actually already taken care of some things on it. And he's, you know, old school guys, they do what they gotta do and all that stuff, and he can't stay still, so I guess it'll work. So here's so far the wheel. They are a nice, pretty set hold on. They are a nice, good set of wheels. They're in pretty good condition, I can't lie. I mean, you got the, hey look, is that a stink bug? That's nice. Hey buddy, you want to back off maybe, pal? So far, my dad's I can't speak. So far, my dad has actually already gotten into town with these wheels and making a little discovery. So let's put this down a little bit, actually. And I don't know if you guys can maybe see this on camera, but we got some crackage going on. That's fine. I mean, I'll just get new tires. I'm not really too concerned about it. Or I guess I am concerned? Am I? I don't know. So, it's got a little bit of cracking inside here, which is unfortunate. But the main goal that I wanted was just to get the right set of wheels for this car, because I can't find wheels anywhere. So, I'm actually not upset about that. It's unfortunate, but that's okay. We'll get over to town for a tire, slap it on the credit card. Let's not worry about it. We're going to get tires for this real soon. For the moment, though, my dad's been going to town a little bit. He's smoothing some of this out, trying to get all this deep corrosion rust out of here. And he's actually going to probably just clean them up as is. So I figure he'll probably do that first before I even get the tires on here. Probably got to order them and whatnot, for all I know. Something that I did, which is not really a big deal, but I did it. I took off the center cap. I'm going to actually take off all the center caps for these. He actually went and took the shroud off so he can go in here and do some more cleaning. And, you know, I mean, for the most part, we're just going to try and get the most that we can out of it. So, let me take these off and let me just get to work. You know, I mentioned before that I might need some lug nuts, but I come to a little realization. The lug nuts that fit on this 80 Aspen as will fit on the Cobra and the Mustang GT of my generation. Kind of cool. So what I think I'm gonna actually do, I'm gonna go here, lug nut, and we're gonna see if, hold on, because I actually planned on wanting to get the mag style lug nuts to have the washer, but a little digger deeping into this wheel, and I actually noticed that the wheel has like a little indentation, meaning if I am correct, which I'm pretty sure I am, yeah. And then this could be like a little final product for the actual wheels. So I'm gonna grab 4 more lugs, just to do like a little fitment. Not really a fitment, just to see how it looks. So here's like a little quick peek. I mean, I don't know. Should I go with this? Little chrome look. I mean, I don't actually know. Not too sure, man. Not too sure. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, I'm not gonna be able to see it by the time I put this out. Probably make a decision, but hey, I like people's opinions. Why not? I got a little bit of a juice soaker in here. You know, some PB on all the wheels. Current moment, hubcaps are kind of pretty sealed on as far as the bolts go, I guess, from. So, you know, soak these up 10-15 minutes, take them out, and then once I take them out, I'll basically just give the rest to my pops, and he'll take care of the majority of it. Meanwhile, as all this is getting taken care of, I'm about to go online, order some lug nuts, or maybe go to Advance. I don't know exactly which one I should go to. Something tells me Advance because it's gonna be easy since it's like 2 miles down the road for me. So maybe go to Advance, grab like 20 of these lug nuts. But I gotta get tires. Dang it. Money goes down the freaking drain, dude. You know, so tires it is. We'll put on the credit card, pay monthly, all that good stuff. What should I get? I don't know. Might do some thick tires in the back, a little bit skinnier in the front. I don't know. So it's gonna look good on it. So yeah, I'll see you guys when I put the wheels on, I suppose, or till I have the tires. Well, whichever comes first. Tires, lug nuts, this, that, the third. Whatever. We got updates. We got setbacks. We got straight up halts. I mean, it's rough. It really is rough. I mean, I've been on this for literally a week, and nothing's really gotten done. So let me just tell you guys exactly what's going on. So it's been about a week since I picked up the wheels. At the time I'm recording this portion of the video, it's been about a week. Lots happened. A lot hasn't happened. What has happened is that I got a tattoo. Tough. But what hasn't happened is that I actually gotten to work with any of these wheels. And the reason behind it is the major setback that I have would happen to be my truck, you know, the F-150 that I put on time after time. Tire weren't flat on me, and they were bald. So I had to spend $1,000 on those. So this tire situation is going to have a major setback on the 80 Aspen. Kind of sucks. I got the lug nuts, which is good. Dorman lug nuts from Advanced Auto Parts, because it was the easiest thing for me to do, and it was the most cost efficient or effective. Yeah, effective thing, whatever. So that's what's going on. An update on the wheels is that the date original on the wheel. Check this out. So let me see if you guys can actually see this, but I want to say I can, which is nice. Yo, I got this new camera. That's sick. But anyway, this tire for these wheels, yeah, the 32nd week of the year 2000. You guys can definitely see that. So, yeah, these would not have been good anyway. Clearly, from our first investigation or inspection on them, when we looked at the cracks in the white wall, they weren't good. So it's a good thing we're not using those. And as far as the actual wheel, we're changing plans a little bit. It was first originally gonna be me doing a what was it? I was originally gonna do just a cleaning of the wheel, and then we're gonna slap them right on. We're changing that whole game plan. What we're gonna actually do is, my dad came with the idea to say, hey, let me paint them. Again, Pops, old school, knows a lot of things. He's a body man from back in the day, so he's gonna actually respray the wheels, and it makes more sense for us to respray the wheels while they're still on the old tires than me get new ones and then try and tape them up. Because we don't care about these old ones. These old ones are garbage. We're not interested whatsoever at all. So that's a good thing, right? Another update. The Aspen is locking up on the rear drum. The passenger side rear drum is locking up on me, and I don't know why. And then another update is, it's cold. It is freezing, guys. I'm still in gear or a tire I wore today after work, and it's really annoying. And I figured I'd just finish up this video because I really need to finish it and get something out there. So yeah, I mean, this is really, it's like, what more can I do? What more can I do, man? I mean, I got the weather I got to fight with. We just had a snowstorm too here in Connecticut. I'm pretty sure you guys had one too if you're in the area, if you're around, you know, freaking the tri-state, blah, blah. So, lots happening, you know. The biggest setback though, honestly, was spending literally $1,000 on the tires for the truck, man, because that's not an expense I wanted to pay. I knew they were bald, I knew, but I just, you know, you just, whatever, man. You can't, you gotta make them last. That's what I'm trying to say. You gotta see what I'm saying. That's what I want to say. You gotta make them last. Got to. So these wheels and tires, they're gonna be there for a while. Just again, time, weather really is getting the better of me. More videos are still gonna be coming up, but as far as this whole wheel situation, we're gonna have to save everything for a part 3 or 4 or 5. I'm just gonna have to keep updating you guys on the wheels and exactly what's happening, what's being done, and then hopefully we'll get to a point where we can take these wheels, put them on the Aspen, and call it a good time. So with that being said, if you guys enjoyed this video in any kind of way, be sure to leave a like, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button, and as well as ring the notification bell. There's more videos coming for you guys. Do not worry whatsoever. Your boy got it. Until the next video, it's been your boy Chris Ryan. I'll see all you guys in the next one. Peace. You know, maybe I should actually show that car for once in my life. These videos, and I don't even show it. Whatever. Pero no la maltrate.
y sube para la nube.